The Siren on the Fire Engine, illustrated by Connor Rawson. The siren on the fire engine rings all day, rings all day, rings all day. The siren on the fire engine rings all day to let everyone know that help's on the way. The zebra on the fire engine saves lost toys, saves lost toys, saves lost toys. The zebra on the fire engine saves lost toy and returns them to the very grateful boys and girls. The elephant on the fire engine puts out flames, puts out flames, puts out flame. The elephant on the fire engine puts out flames so everyone can go back to their fun and games. The bear on the fire engine climbs up high, climbs up high, climbs up high. The bear on the fire engine climbs up high to save the little kids, and then they wave goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe.